Hello. Yes, magandang araw po sa inyo lahat. Ako po si Kiko Javier, isa po sa mga pioneer leaders of this very, very beautiful and amazing program na ipapakita namin sa inyo. This is Supreme Wealth Alliance Ultimate, the business presentation. Okay, so sit back, relax, and listen. Meron po kami magandang balita. Okay? Yan. So, before I start, I'd like to make sure na we are basically in one page, no? And few months ago, to be exact, about 10 months ago, I was exactly like this person, no? So, I was looking for something. So, I'm very, very sure the reason why na nakikinig ka ngayon, the reason why na pinapanood mo tong video na to, because just like me, meron ka rin hinahanap, no? And karamihan sa atin, we're looking for that success, no? We're looking for that big break in our lives, no? So, for so many years, actually, for about 16 long years, I have been in this industry. And I was trying and looking for and searching for this one big break na talagang magbibigay sa akin ng financial freedom, no? So, I was exactly that same person, yan pong nasa picture na yan, about 10 months ago. Then, finally, I was able to discover something. Yun po ang gusto kong pakita sa inyo, ano po ba yung na-discover ko. Okay, so this is the great news, no? Tapos na po yung paghahanap, tapos na yung struggle, tapos na po yung pag-aantay. Dumating na po sa buhay namin ang Supreme Wealth Alliance Ultimate Perfect Pay Plan System. Okay, so ang trabaho ko po dito, ang trabaho nitong video na to is just to inform you of what we saw. Okay, we are never here to convince anybody, no? At any point in time of this video and you feel like I'm not making sense or you're not interested in what I'm saying, then please, it's no problem. You can easily stop the video and let's remain friends, no? Kung sino man nag-share sa ng video, we remain friends, no? Wala pong problema. Because our job is just to inform people of what we saw, no? Wala po kaming plano na mangumbinse. Alright? So, let's proceed po, no? Okay, Supreme Wealth Alliance is a perfect pay plan system. So, ano po ba itong perfect pay plan system? It's actually 100% online business program. So, 100% meaning sa harap lang po na internet, no? And 100%. Wala po itong requirement na kailangan natin lumabas ng bahay. Wala po itong requirement na kailangan ma-emit tayo ng mga prospects, no? Wala po itong requirement na kailangan ma-emit tayo sa restaurant, sa coffee shops para ma-emit at mag-present. Sorry for that, no? Wala rin po tayong requirement para mag-deliver ng mga products or para po-make up ng payments, etc., etc. We just do this 100% in front of the internet. 100% online, no? And most people, no? If not all, but most, they already have their computers at home, no? So, katulad po ng nararanasan namin ngayon, we're basically doing this whole beautiful business at the comfort of our own homes, no? So, sa bahay lang po. So, marami po, napakaraming benepisyo na magtatrabaho ka lang sa loob-loob ng bahay mo. Sobrang dami na I cannot enumerate everything. But believe me, it's so worth it just to be able to stay at home and earn very good money because of this program. And just be with your family, no? We see them grow up, no? Every time they need us, we're just there, no? But at the same time, we also provide very, very good for their needs, no? Okay, so why was it called Perfect Pay Plan? Because of these two powerful approaches na gusto namin ipakita sa inyo. Okay, approach number 1 is we will attain the success to our proven positive life-changing products, no? So, ang produkto po namin ay nakakapagpabago ng buhay. Wow! In my 16 long years of running after this industry called network marketing, no, napakarami ko na rin pong nasalihan, no, napakarami ko ng klaseng mga produkto na nai-promote, from pampapayat, pampaputi, pampalakas ng katawan, damit, sapatos, etc. I really appreciated the products of this program because this program can change people's lives. Wow, isipin niyo po yun, ang produkto mo directly makakapagpabago sa buhay. So, napakalaking pribilehiyo na we're actually changing people's lives, and hindi natin alam na we have changed somebody's lives because of this program, and because of him who was changed, the whole generation was changed, no? So we can actually impact generations after generations because of our products, no? Mamaya po makikita niyo yan. And we have approach number 2, which is we will be promoting a first in the world system. Meaning, hindi po laos yung ating ipopromote. Hindi po tayo yung huling-huli. We're actually the first to promote a concept like this in the whole wide world. So, buong mundo po. Okay, hindi lang po sa Pilipinas, hindi lang po sa Asia, hindi lang po sa Amerika, hindi lang po sa Europe, but all over the world. And we are the first one to promote this kind of a concept na papakita namin sa inyo. Okay, so who's the company behind? Supreme Wealth Alliance is under Supreme Wealth Alliance Corporation. It is a registered IBC or International Business Company under the jurisdiction of Belize, a sovereign nation on Central America. Nandyan po yung ating main office in the 5th floor of Marina Towers, Belize City, Belize. That is the only physical global headquarters that we have. No? Why? Because we are not required to have branches or offices in different countries, because we operate 100% on the internet in cyberspace. Okay, so we really don't need to have a building, except gusto po natin gumastos unnecessarily. Okay, because a building would mean overhead expenses. So wala po tayong mga ganyan. Okay, and as mandated by law for an online business, we are only required to at least to have one, and that is our main office in Belize City, Belize. No? We have all our documents, no, our certificates displayed in our website for everybody's perusal. No? So pwede nyo po yung pag-aralan, pwede nyo imbestigahan, pwede nyo ipagtanong, even if you have a chance to even send an email to Belize, the government of Belize, no? Pwede nyo po. Alright, so we were incorporated August 1, 2012. No? So actually, ang grand launch natin was August 8. So as I speak to you now, as I create this video, this is actually the second update na po for the video. It's already October, no? So we're basically 2 months old as an official company. So bago pa lang, no? Mahaba pa ho. Alright, so everything is displayed in our website. So Supreme Wealth Alliance as a program is not another new player. No? It's not another here today, gone tomorrow program. No? Medyo nakakatakot po sa online is when you join another of those pre-launching, no? positioning, then after 3 months, o pinakamahaba na yung 6 months, pero halos wala yata umabot, nawawala sila. Okay, because Supreme Wealth Alliance is already operating ever since 2009 through ChavezNet Enterprises. No? So, ang founder po ng SWA is si Francis Chavez. Okay, and since 2009 up to 2012, it never stopped. Okay, continuous po yan. Nandyan lang po yan sa online, sa internet. Okay, so it already helped thousands of people find financial success sa bahay lang po. Okay, so what happened? In 2012, Mr. Chavez was able to discover the perfect pay plan system. So yun po yung ni-relaunch nitong January 2012. January 31 to be exact, nag-pre-launching kami ng new system. Okay, so from January 31 up until today, this program is running so strong. and is expanding and growing so strong na kahit po kami, honestly, hindi kami makapaniwala. Alright, with all honesty, we will say na we are in awe every day of how this program is growing globally. Okay, as we speak now, we have almost 7,000 members, and that is 2 months as an official company. 7,000 members. Wow, and most of them are Pinoys. Alright, so mamaya po, and malalaman nyo, hopefully ma-discuss ko kung bakit, no? And ano ang strength ng mga Filipino sa ganitong klaseng programa. Okay, so since we see that this is a perfect pay plan system, nakita rin po namin na this is actually the ultimate masterpiece of SWA. And this is going to be the flagship system for the long haul. So for 10 months po of doing this business, no? Kumbaga for 10 months sinubukan namin, pinaandar namin, pinatakbo. Kumbaga ba sa sasakyan inano po namin yan, pinilit natin na napunuin, no? Pinilit natin pasabugin. But it just showed us na as it goes on and on and on, it gets stronger and stronger and stronger. Okay, so sa nakita po namin na yun, this could be it. This is the flagship system for the long haul. As I speak to you now, members are already earning up to 100,000 or 120,000 per month, sitting down in front of their computer doing Facebook. Okay, so and some are earning an extra 3,000 to 5,000 per month doing Facebook. So sabihin na natin ang range is from 3,000 up to 120,000 you can actually earn from this program on a monthly basis on its first 2 months as an official company. Okay, so kayo na po mag-decide kung ano ang gusto nyo doon na extra income. Okay, but it's already happening. There are living testimonies experiencing that, no? Okay, so ito po Supreme Wealth Alliance, this is very, very important. We have a mission that we have established, no? This is the Supreme Wealth Alliance mission statement, no? So para sa akin po, this is actually the most important part of this program, no? Because this is the heart of SWA. Okay, so lahat po na makikita nyo after this are just kumbaga mechanics, na or technicals. Pero dito po i-discuss ko sa inyo muna yung pinakamahalaga, which is yung puso. Okay, dapat po kasi maintindihan natin ano ba yung heartbeat ng SWA. Alright, kasi pag naintindihan nyo po itong mission na to, believe me, and we all focus on the mission, maniwala kayo, success will just follow. Alright, and yun po nararanasan namin yan. So basahin ko po sa inyo, read with me. Supreme Wealth Alliance exists because we want transformation. We want the poor to be rich, the needy to be bountiful, the pessimists to be optimists, the hopeless to be hopeful, the timid to be bold, the receiver to be the giver, the impossible to be possible. SWA exists to see people change for the better. We shall accomplish this through teamwork, through the union of each other's passion and commitment, and most importantly, through the strength and wisdom we get from the Creator and Author of life, who made all good things possible. SWA's core values are teamwork, sincerity, honesty, and selflessness. Through these core values, we will achieve our goals together. Nobody gets left behind. SWA products and services will all be centered in achieving excellence in the aspects of mind, body, and soul development. Wow! Kung naintindihan nyo po yung mission namin, believe me, it can actually change the world. Okay, so, yun na po. Sabi ko sa inyo, this is the very heart of Supreme Wealth Alliance. This is where we are focused. Kung mapapansin nyo po, I never mention about money. Okay, so, yun po ang isa sa kinaibahan ng Supreme Wealth Alliance kung bakit po very, very successful kami. Because we are focusing on the mission, not on money. Although you can see members, you can see leaders, of course, rejoice and show off how much they're earning. Pero, surface lang po yun. Because, of course, no, magiging plastic tayo para sabihin, hindi tayo masaya na kumikita tayo ng ganong kalaki. Okay? But that's how, yun lang po yung naisisigaw natin because that's something very physical and very obvious. Kitang-kita mo talaga, it's money, it's material. No? But behind that money, behind that material things is this ultimate mission that you want to accomplish. No? Ayan po, so, if you feel like this mission makes sense at nagustuhan mo and sinabi ng puso mo ngayon as I talk to you now, okay yun gusto ko rin yan. Then maybe we could proceed to step number 2. Alright? Now let's go to the vision. Where we are going. Sabi nga, without a vision, a nation perish. Okay, so within the next 5 years, this is what we see. Supreme Wealth Alliance will be the largest online membership site globally whose products, services, and unique team culture has direct impact and significance in the uplifting of one's life in the areas of the mind, the body, and the soul. Members will experience ultimate happiness, joy, satisfaction, and significance through the very useful resources and the unique, warm, and family-oriented culture wherein everyone just feels at home, accepted, and valued. Okay, so this is where we are going. Okay, so I'd like to invite everybody who's listening or who's watching this video, please join the program if you want to be a part of history. Alright? Now, let's go to the product. So, Supreme Wealth Alliance product is Supreme Wealth Library. So, ano po ba meron sa library? Ang library po ay pinupuntahan natin para matuto. No? So, ever since when we were young, we know that when we go to a library, there is one thing that we want to do there. No? The major thing is we want to research because we believe ang ating mga hinahanap ay nandun. Okay? So, wala pa ho yung panahon ng Google, wala pa yung panahon ng Wikipedia, wala pang internet, yan ang library. No? But now, because of the revolution, and because of the evolution of things, nag-evolve na po. Ang library ngayon ay nasa internet na lang. Online, no? So now, we have the Supreme Wealth Library. Ano naman ang matututunan? It will teach us the practical principles, secrets, techniques, and strategies on how to build and maintain wealth. Yun po, so, prinsipyo, sikreto, mga techniques, at strategies. Kung paano, no? So, lahat naman po tayo kasi ngayon, kung tatanungin tayo kung gusto mo maging successful sa buhay, lahat naman siguro tayo sasagot ng oo, no? Pero lahat tayo may kasunod na tanong, paano? Diba? So, there is always a how. Ngayon, ito po ang matatagpuan nyo sa library na yan, na initially, as I speak to you now, initially, there are about 2,100 plus downloadable resources that will teach us on how to be wealthy, how to be successful, and how to enjoy life to the fullest. 2,100 plus. Sa palagay mo ba, konti yon para kung babasahin mo, kung i-internalize mo, kung i-apply mo sa buhay mo, makakatulong sa'yo? Palagay mo, konti yung 2,100. I'm sure, enough na yun. But, nabanggit ko kanina, there is a word na nirelease ko, initially. Why? Initial lang po yan. Dadagdagan pa mo ng dadagdagan yan. Okay? So, hindi lang po siya e-books. It also has videos, audio, scripts, graphics, templates, modules, icons, fonts, etc., etc. Okay? So, yan po ang produkto natin. So, I'll give you some example. Excuse me. We have our wealth e-books. These are books written by ordinary human beings like us who achieve extraordinary results. So, relatable po. Hindi po ito yung mga tipong ipinanganak na ng mayaman. So, sometimes, sabi natin, kaya naman magagaling yan. Pinanganak yan. Mayayaman na yan mga yan. Hindi nakaranas ng hirap yan. Ay, hindi po. Ito pong mga libro na to, isinulat ng mga taong dumaan din sa dinadaanan natin ngayon. No? If you're somebody na na-bankrupt, if you're somebody na lumubog yung negosyo, if you're somebody na pinalaya sa apartment, if you're somebody na baon sa utang, believe me, the writers of these books experienced the same. And they did something so different. They did something so different and so common, ano? Kasi hindi lang po isang tao yan. That all led to the same thing, which is financial success, freedom, and they all became wealthy. Okay, so one of my personal favorite, ito pong Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. Mga kapatid, pakibasa po yan. Believe me, it has changed my life so much. It turned around my whole life pagdating sa mindsetting, kung paano ba mag-isip ang taong successful. Alright? At napakarami pa ho yan. Sobrang dami. At hindi lang po siya puro books, may mga audios din po yan. Okay, we also have strategic training programs for Facebook, okay, and Twitter, no? Yung mga social media sites, paano ba ma-maximize yung marketing. Kasama po yan. So, if you're listening to me now, sabi mo, ay, naku, wala naman ako alam dyan sa internet, kundi mag-Facebook. Paano ko mag-online business? Congratulations. Dahil most of us, about 99% of our members, operate using Facebook lang. Ang susunod na tanong mo, paano? So, these are the answers to your questions. Andito rin po, provided na sa product lines natin. Okay, sobrang daming books about that, no? The strategies, the techniques. Alright? And so many other books about marketing, about sales. Okay, at hindi lang po siya puro books, may mga videos, may mga audios. No? So definitely, you will have fun, you will learn, and you will be very successful if you apply it to your life and make it work. No? So hindi lang po siya puro pera, tulad ng sabi ko sa inyo, success is about living life to the fullest. Kabuuan po, success is not just about having so much money. Believe me, napakaraming tao po, ang daming pera, but they're not successful. I'm sure alam niyo po yan. Eh, yung iba pa nga ho, sa sobrang depression nila because of hindi sila successful despite of their so many money, they end up committing suicide. Doon pa lang ho, makikita nyo na money is not the answer or the solution to our problems. Okay, malalaman nyo po yan as you go along, the experience, the Supreme Wealth Alliance experience, malalaman nyo po na hindi pala pera ang solusyon sa problema ni Juan de la Cruz. Yan, di ba? Exciting, no? Which is na-discover po namin. Alright, so I'm not speaking here na parang hindi ko alam or hindi ko naman naranasan yung sinasabi ko. I am a living testimony of what we have discovered in this program. Okay, so ang produkto po natin is all about knowledge. Okay, knowledge is power. So basically, that is the main product of Supreme Wealth Alliance. We will equip everybody with the necessary tools, okay, the house of how to become successful in this lifetime. Okay, knowledge is power. Yan po ang product natin. Of course, if you become a member, you will have your own back office, no, wherein you log in as a member, no, may username, may password. Then, it's very easy to download your products. Nandun po yung library access sa yung back office. May mga instructions naman po yan, ano? And for those who's also very keen in selling, no? Some of our products have resale rights and private label rights. Meaning may mga rights to distribute po yan. So, yung mga iba ho na gusto magbenta, no? Patingi-tingi, out of the 2,100 books, meron po mga resale rights yung karamihan doon. Alright? So, i-check lang po natin when we download. Kasama naman po yung distribution rights pag dinownload. No? Alright, so how much is the investment? No? How much is the investment? Ayun na po, naka-flash yan sa screen nyo. If I can show you a way that will change your life because of the information na ilalagay natin sa ating isipan, the house, no, the knowledge, it will change your life, the way you think, the way you move, your character, your attitude, the way you look at things. And for only $55 one time, or sa Pilipinas pa, in peso, 2,500 pesos. Is that too much to us? Will you be interested to check it out? Sa halagang 2,500, it will change your life. Believe me, sobrang dami na po namin nag-i-enjoy because of this 2,500. Ikaw, kaibigan, ilang beses ka na gumastos ng halagang 2,500 pataas? Did it change your life? May nagbago ba? Alright, so I cannot help but to compare it, mga cellphones. Okay, dalhin mo yung 2.5 mo sa bilihan ng cellphone, makakabili ba yan ng maganda? Yung may mga touchscreen, no? Android, na mabilis ang processor, maganda camera, mataas ang memory. 2.5 makakabili? Definitely not. Okay, kahit yung mga rubber shoes nga lang po, pumunta ka sa Nike store, dalhin mo yung 2.5 mo. Wala kang mabibiling may air, no? Canvas lang yun. Alright, so gusto ko lang makita nyo how valuable itong ipapresent namin. It's a library of information. An access to a library na one time mo lang babayaran pero habang buhay dinadagdagan. Wow! Habang buhay po, meaning every so often dadagdagan yan ng dadagdagan ng Supreme Wealth Alliance na hindi mo na nga kayang, hindi na nga na-scroll lahat eh. Alright, anyway, doon naman po sa downloader natin, may mga search, kumbaga may mga search procedures po doon, which is nagpapadali sa paghahanap, no? Okay, so one time 55 is the only investment. Then you can have access to that library na kung saan lahat ng kailangan mo, and there's a bonus, pati kailangan ng asawa mo, pati kailangan ng pamangkin mo, kailangan ng kapatid mo, kailangan ng anak mo, it's there. Grabe po, if you only see the resources, the books, the videos, hanggang mga bata, pwede mong i-share sa kanila. Grabe, it's a library of knowledge. Wow. For only 2,500 pesos, one-time, lifetime investment. Okay, so we guarantee you 100%. So this is the guarantee. If you purchase our library, we guarantee you that you will be financially successful and you will be successful in life if you read the library, the contents of the library, understand it and apply it to your life. Of course, meron pong if. No? Well, please, huwag niyo po kaming tanungin na pagka bumili akong library niya, magiging successful ako. Of course, yes, we guarantee you. Pero may if yan. Opo naman. If you read it. Alright, so all you have to do is read it, understand it, and apply it to your life. So, pag in-apply po natin, yes, you will be 100% successful. Pero kung nag-purchase kayo ng library, hindi nyo binasa, hindi nabasa nga, hindi naman inintindi, hindi in-apply, wala po tayong magagawa dyan. It's the same thing as going to school. You're not guaranteed to be successful kahit nakatapos ka ng elementary, high school, college. No? Kahit pa sa pinakamagandang kolehiyo yan, kung hindi mo naman pag-aralang maigi, no? At kung hindi mo ipasa yung mga examinations, hindi mo i-apply sa buhay, baliwala. Alright, so that's basically approach number 1. And 101% you will be successful with these products, with these books, with these videos na meron sa library na yan. Ano? So this is actually the first part of this video. And isunod nyo lang po yung part 2 if you still want to continue. Okay? So, dalawang parts po ito. So, this is the first part. Approach number 1. It's a life-changing products ang may offer ng Supreme Wealth Alliance sa bawat isa. Okay, so maraming salamat po. I'll see you in part 2. Thank you.